In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit photo albums on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch into your Facebook business page profile, so you are managing the page and not your personal account. Once you are in the correct profile, open your Facebook business page. Next, go to the Photos section of the page. This is where your page images and albums are stored. After opening Photos, find the album that you want to edit and select it to open the album view. Once the album is open, look for the More Options menu, shown as 3 dots, or look for an Edit Album button if that option appears on your screen. Facebook can display slightly different layouts depending on the version you are using, so either option may be available. After you open the album editing tools, update the album information that you want to change. You can edit the album name, update the description, and adjust any other details that Facebook allows for that specific album. Take a moment to review the information carefully, so everything appears the way you want on your business page. If the album gives you the option to manage photos directly, you can also add new photos or remove existing ones. This is useful if you need to refresh the album, organize your content better, or remove images that are no longer relevant to your business page. Keep in mind that some Facebook albums may have limited editing options depending on how the album was originally created. When you are finished making changes, click Save to apply the updates. It is important to save before leaving the page, so none of your edits are lost. After that, return to the Photos section of your Facebook business page. Open the same album again and check that your changes have been applied correctly. Verify that the album title, description, and photo selection all look the way you intended. This final review helps confirm that the album is updated and visible as expected for anyone visiting your business page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.